Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a refund from SpotHero. So if you're eligible for a refund or need help with a canceled reservation, then just follow along. First, open the SpotHero app and then sign into your account. Next, go to My Reservations and select the reservation in question. Then review the reservation's cancellation policy to see whether it's eligible for a refund. And if your reservation qualifies, then cancel it through the app if you haven't already. And once cancelled, any eligible refund is typically processed back to your original payment method. So you need to keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on your bank or credit card provider. If you experienced an issue with your parking reservation, such as being unable to access the facility or another problem covered by SpotHero's policies, then open the help section in the app and then contact SpotHero support. And provide your reservation number, explain the issue, and include photos if necessary. Then the support team will review your request and let you know whether a refund or another resolution is available. So that was how to get a refund from SpotHero. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.